friends, I am back with my new video and today I will tell you how to do a simple and easy eye makeup. But before moving further, if you had not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press thumbs up, and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos. For the eye makeup, we should always start with our eyebrows, and for the eyebrows we can either use eyebrow gel, eyebrow pencil or even the eyebrow powder. Here I am using eyebrow gel. This is from Gel-mikyajy. I will use this small arch brush for applying the color and this pulley for blending the color. Now I will start filling my eyebrow with the help of a arch brush like this. Basically wherever I see less hair, there I will fill the color. And after that, with the help of a spoolie, I will blend it. All the way it will go up till the arch, and from here it will bend down, and the end should be pointed. If you are a beginner and you want to know how to do the eyebrow, then you can go and check my other video which is totally about eyebrow. The link is on the description. And now I will take concealer for covering all the extra hair of my eyebrows. Now with the help of arch brush, small arch brush, I will conceal my eyebrows like this way. From up also, very close to the eyebrow, but it should not touch the eyebrow hair. And here I will make a straight line. And then I will blend it outward direction. And the up will go like this. And you can see it's done. This one is concealed and this one is not concealed. And then we have to prime our eyes. For the priming, we can go any type of eye primer or we can use the concealer. So here I am using the same concealer from Makeup Forever. I will just apply in all over my eyelid with the help of a finger, and then I will blend it with a small makeup blender, beauty blender, sorry. If you have any type of darkness in your eyes, it will cover up. Basically this is the base of your eyes. If you will not use any type of concealer or eye primer in your eyes, then the eyeshadow will not set. So this is very important part. Before opening your eyes, you should set it with the loose powder or the compact powder so that your concealer will be locked and no lines will come there. Smashbox palette for the eyeshadow, and from here I will use this color, this one. With this brush I will apply my eyeshadow. I will apply this color on my crease area. This is our crease, the area which go inside here. This is our brow bone, this is our crease which go inside. And here I will apply this color like this in a wind shade motion, like it will go inside, go out, but with a very soft hand. After that I will take this dark brown and I will apply this on my outer corner here in this area. You can tell this in a V way like this. Little by little I will make it darker, and then the same thing I will do in other eyes. After that I will take the same light color which I had used before on my crease area and I will blend it with the same brush. I am using only one brush for applying my eye shades. You have to blend both the color. There should not be any harsh line. As you can see, it's blended. After that I will take this NYX palette, and from here I will take this shimmery yellow color in my finger like this. I will apply this yellow color on my inner lid, this one, inner corner of my eyes, like this with the finger. And then with the help of the same brush we have to blend it. For blending this shimmery color, we should always go very soft-handed and very slowly, like this. We should not go very fast, otherwise it will become full mess. This is a liquid liner. Now we have to do our mascara. After applying your kajal, you should always blend it with the same color. Whatever color kajal you are applying, suppose if you are applying the blue color, you should take the same blue eyeshadow from your eye palette and you should blend it with this type of flat brush, small flat brush. Here I had applied the black kajal, so I will take the mix of black and the brown. Here the mix of black, this one, and the brown shade, this dark brown. And I will blend my kajal. I will show you. Blending will enhance your eyes. It will always go in upward direction. Then your eyes will look open up. And you can see the difference before blending and after blending. And the last step is to highlight your brow bone. Highlighting of brow bone is very important. For highlighting, I will take the same palette and I will take this color from there, shimmery color, this one. And with this, I will highlight my brow bone. This is my brow bone. From here till the end, I will highlight it. And then I will put the same highlighter on my inner corner, which will just open up my eyes. You will see the difference. See, I am taking the same color and I will apply here in the inner corner like this. It will go down a bit and a bit higher. And you will see the difference. This one, open up eyes, and this one, let it close. Eye makeup is all about blending. Blending is very important, but you have to practice it. So see you on next video. Bye bye.